During this video, I will show you how you can use Flat within Canvas. If you don't have a Flat for Education account, just go on flat.io/edu to get started. Once your Flat account is ready, go in your settings, app, integrations, choose Canvas, and we will show you how you can really quickly set up the integration inside Canvas. If you go in settings, apps, you choose your app configurations, you will see Flat installed once everything is ready to use. And in the navigation panel, you will see the Flat link directly to Flat. So basically, when you click on Flat, it basically works just like SSO. We're directly signing you or your student inside your private website, and everything is ready to use, so you can use Flat on the side of Canvas or inside Canvas. We have different integration inside Canvas. So for example, when you have your module here, you can click on plus here and choose, I want to add an external tool to Canvas, and then you will see Flat here, just under. So when you click on this, we list you the different scores of your account. You can also import new score on Flat and directly share them on Canvas. Let's say I want to share this score, called first score. I just click on add item and publish, and my student, when they open the module here, they will see the score, first score with Flat here, and they can directly open the Flat viewer and see my first score I just share with them. Another good way is assignment inside Canvas. So if when you create a new assignment, let's say, for example, Shadow Suite here, inside with the rig editor, I will see a new Flat button here with the logo of Flat. So when, like, for example, let's say, listen and Stu Davis Suite for cello, then write your own variation. I can just embed the score directly inside my content. This works as a new assignment and as well with the pages feature inside Canvas. Let's say embed here. So here inside, instead of this small box here, Canvas will automatically embed a really cool music notation using Flat. And let's say, so your student have to, here in my example, have to write their own variation. Maybe they already did it. So we use the homework vendor extension from Canvas. So let's say the submission will be done online. They can upload a file, or just if they use another editor, or just copy paste a website URL. Here I click on save. So I open Flat Canvas as a student. When I open assignment, I will see the new cello suite assignment. My teacher asked me to listen as Stu Davis Suite for cello. So here I see the notation, like, really well embedded inside Canvas. I can just listen it, study, and after, when I'm ready, I made my music notation. I can just submit it directly with the homework extension. So for example, here I can just paste a URL of another website, or just use Flat. If I wrote my score on Flat, so let's say it's called score, I just click on link here and submit my assignment for my teacher. And it's written turning in the students, just turning the assignment directly using the homework extension from Canvas. And as a teacher, you have really cool stuff in Canvas called SpeedGrader. So when you click on SpeedGrader, you just can browse all the different submissions for your student. And here, if the students submit a score using Flat, you can directly view it on Flat, making some inline comments and directly grade it on Canvas. That's something really cool, that you can easily browse all the different submissions from students and really grade it really fast using Canvas. Something great you can do with assignments on Canvas and Flat. For example, let's say I started a template for them. So let's say a drums template. I want my student to complete the template, for example, write new measure. So the idea here, I just wrote an original document and I want to just share copies to the students. Let's say assignment 3, let's say we will call it drums exercise. For example, complete this drums part and add 6 new bar of music. Here, I will say, okay, you only use flat, so you will use directly flat, and flat will make you a link, a copy of the document. So let's say, okay, here I got the list of my different scores I have. Let's say it's called work on. I will use it here as a template, and basically what its actions make is just when the students opened the assignment with Canva, we directly make a copy of the original document, and the students, when they turn it back, we directly send back the copy to you, so you can just review with SpeedGrader. I just showed you before. Let's say you can open a new tab, save and publish. Here as a student, I will now see the new exercise available in Canvas. Let's say, okay, I open it in a new window so I can have more space to use flat. Here I got my copy and I can just write my own music directly on flat. Okay, let's say I wrote the new content to the student. When I'm ready to submit on Canvas, I just click on turning. Yes. And here I'm back on Canvas, and my submission is done, and my work is done in one click, directly turning back to Canvas. It's really simple for the student, a really seamless integration. So as a teacher, when I open back my assignment, I can use the SpeedGrader here, and I will see the new submission my student just did. Here I can close this, and here I see the different modifications. I can add some content message for the student. Great update, for example. Up, I post it back, and I can just grade it back to the student. I give it back the work. So it's a really quick overview of what we can do with Flat and Canvas. Different usage, using templates, using simply shares music scores, embed them inside your existing pages or assignments. There is really many things you can do. Many ways to use Flat as a tool to create music notation and let your student create music notation. They could, for example, use Flat to create group compositions and post them back to Canvas using our real-time collaboration feature. Really a very different way to use Flat, and I hope you will find really great idea and make great activities for your students. Enjoy.